my name is Dinda. I'm a social designer working with Kampung Collective. So we are a group of designers from Indonesia and the Netherlands who came together from a previous project called What If Lab.
Nama saya Ikra Firdausi. Saya adalah desainer interdisipliner yang berlokasi di Jakarta dan saya represent Kampung Collective.
It wasn't a typical method where you already set what you already want to make, what you already want to find, but it's more of being able to test your ideas in real life and adapt the results and the methods that you use by connecting with stakeholders, people who live in communities, different experts, and that enriches the process and changes the results along the way.
Program seperti ini cukup jarang ya, apalagi ditawarkan untuk mahasiswa atau student yang ingin berkarya gitu. Karena Living Lab menawarkan program di mana mereka dapat kesempatan untuk terjun ke dunia nyata dan mencoba memberikan solusi-solusi atau ide-ide yang dibangun dari masalah-masalah yang nyata juga.
So it was a bit of good timing. We were wrapping up the What If Lab project with an exhibition at the end. And we saw through the winter conference that there was an open call for the Living Lab project. We thought that, it sort of matches with what we wanted to bring to the next step of the project, to be able to continue our relationship with the Kampung residents and to do new projects here. The flexibility of the project itself was quite fun for us. We were able to see that this university wants to do a project on waste management, this university wants to do a project on tourism, and we were able to tailor the research program to our own networks as designers, and it was seeing like everything is sort of connected in a way that we don't often get to explore in more rigid research projects. So from the start, we had a mission of saying that there are kampungs in the future, that the decisions we make today will influence the way communities live in the future and for future generations to come. So we were able to bring students along this time to also address the prejudice that the communities often face. So seeing the students build a relationship with the residents and having them come over on their own without us scheduling anything, it was quite an interesting cultural exchange-wise and research-wise. And the results were quite different from what we've been doing with the What If Lab project. And it's something that we can look into to do and to implement in the future as well. Well, for us, it was a great opportunity to get fresh perspectives for the work that we are already doing. The output of the project was something that we can elaborate on further with our own work. And the connections that we built from this project allowed us to do more intercultural collaborations with stakeholders from the Netherlands and from Indonesia, along with the universities that were involved in this project. I see that as a starting point for their own careers in the future, where they can have this experience of doing work with communities to inform their career paths in the future as well.
Dan melalui pengalaman dalam menjadi case owner di program Living Lab ini, dan mungkin companies lain yang tertarik untuk terlibat dalam program ini, mereka akan cukup surprise ya terhadap perspektif atau knowledge yang fresh dari mahasiswa-mahasiswa yang mungkin open-minded, bisa membantu kita sebagai case owner melihat sebuah masalah yang sudah terlalu kompleks menjadi lebih simple, menjadi lebih sederhana, yang sometimes it can better solve the issue.